Before a request reaches your Laravel application, it can pass through middleware. Middleware acts as a filter that can inspect, modify, or block makes it to your core logic. Laravel provides 4 main middleware types. Global Middleware for every request. Route Middleware for specific routes. Middleware groups for collections of routes. And Terminable Middleware for tasks that run after a response is sent. Global Middleware runs for every incoming request. No matter which page a user visits, Laravel executes this middleware automatically. Route Middleware is attached to specific routes. It only runs when a user accesses that particular route. Middleware groups allow you to apply multiple middleware to multiple routes at once. Instead of repeating middleware on every route, you can protect an entire group. Terminable middleware runs after the response has been sent to the user. It's useful for tasks such as logging, analytics, or tracking activity.